Alright, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, please, and thumb the video up. So, this is stage 2 of the Trebuchet build, making or cutting out of the chassis, or the carriage, or whatever you want to call it. I've been calling it a chassis, so I'm going to keep calling it a chassis. So I use a 1/4 inch end mill on all these. If you want to see the design portion of this, I have that in a previous video, so you can go check that out also. Came out really good. I decided to go ahead and paint it, and then because I painted it black and yellow at the end, I actually go in and repaint the side portions that I did in the previous video. I just didn't like how they came out, so went ahead and painted them black and yellow. It looks better, I think. Not perfect, but better. But this is just a trial experiment anyway. I just want to see how it works. You know, if I can get everything working right and proportioned and functioning, then I might try to build me a bigger one. Maybe 4 or 5 foot tall, something I could roll down to the park and chuck softballs or something. I don't know. Be fun though. Um, yeah, well, no complaints yet. The only thing I did mess up on in this is, the profile cut, because I didn't take it all the way through the entire thickness of the material. I had to cut it out of my bandsaw, and because of some of the angles and some of the width of the material, it was real hard to get in there on my little 4-inch bandsaw. So I ended up having to go through and use plaster to make it look a little better, and then paint it. So, all right, well, I'll be back at the end. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. You've all heard it, and some of you know it's true. Putty and paint, make it what it ain't. So, yeah, it's for my little bandsaw, because I only profiled halfway through, like I said in the design portion of this video. I didn't want to put all the wear and tear on my machine and risk messing up a $45 bit. So I profiled a 1/2 inch deep, which left a 1/2 inch of material to cut out on my bandsaw. Unfortunately, it's a little too wide to fit in, and so I had a lot of winging it to do as far as cutting it out on the bandsaw, and I made little nicks. So now I'm just puttying it up. I'm gonna let this dry overnight. I'm gonna throw a quick sand down on it, and I'm gonna paint it. I decided it's gonna look good, black and yellow. So the next time you see this, I'll be painting it. Okay, so here's the chassis by itself. Didn't get the best straight lines here, but I think it actually looks okay, even with the kind of not perfect paint job. But I'm happy with it. I went ahead and I painted the sides. Remember, I stained them before, and then I sanded them down, and I just didn't like it. So I sanded them down, got the shine off them, and then threw black and yellow over it. So let me put the sides on, and I'll show you what it looks like so far. Okay, so there it is. This one's actually starting to warp a little. So next step is to cut the wheels. Maybe that tall, about 1.5 inches or so. and the sling arm, or the swing arm, I don't know exactly what you call it, but the deal that actually pulls the sling and throws the rock. So that'll be my next video, depending on how much material it takes to do both those. I may do them separately, I may do them together. And then after the wheels and the sling arm, I need to pour mold with some Portland cement so I can make the counterweight. And I need to make an axle for the sling arm. And then I need to make a sling. And that's about it. So it's coming along really good. Quite happy with it. Other than this piece bowing on me, warping on me a little bit. But so stay with me, and can't wait to see what how good this thing works when it's all done. But I appreciate y'all watching, so hit that subscribe button, please. Thumb the video up. Hope you have a great day. To the next video. I'm out.